Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on Microsoft Teams. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search out the application of Microsoft Teams and you will click here in this page. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Microsoft Teams. And then if you find updates, you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.